Hello grade 4 students, we are going to start with chapter 8 Geometry Application Book C. So all of you open your application book C, page number 1, chapter 8 Geometry. Now let me share my screen with you. So let us begin now. Chapter 8 Geometry, page 1, worksheet 8.1. Question A. Choose the correct answer. That is, fill in the blanks. Options are given to us. We are supposed to choose the correct answer. A dash has only one end point, and the other side, it is endless. So what is it? It is a ray. Second, fill in the blank. A dash is made up of infinite points. What is made up of infinite points? The option given to us is point or line. So what do you think? Yes, line is made up of infinite points. Third fill in the blank is a dash does not have a beginning or an end point. The options given to us are line segment, point, or line. What do you think out of these three options is the correct answer? Correct. A line does not have a beginning or an end point. Now moving ahead with the fourth fill in the blank, a dash has a beginning and an end point. A line segment has a beginning and an end point. Both the sides there are points and there is a line in between. It's a part of a line. So a line segment is a part of a line. A line segment has a beginning and an end point. Now going ahead with question number B. Identify each of the following figures. Now look at this figure 1, AB. Both the sides there are end points. What is this figure known as? Correct. It is known as line segment AB. Now remember, whenever you have to identify a figure, you have to name the figure also. So the second one, now look at it, the second figure. There is an end point at one side and there is an arrow at the other side. It means it is endless. So what is this figure known as? MN. And what is the name of this figure? Correct. It is ray MN. Now the third one, there is only a dot over there, a point. So what is it? Yes, point X. Now the fourth figure, there are arrows on both the sides. It means it is endless on both the sides. So what is that type of figure known as? Yes, it's a line. And what is the name of this line given? XY. So it is line XY. Now going ahead, page 2, question number C. Measure the lengths of the following line segments. Now here all of you need to sit with your ruler and you need to measure this line segment given in your book. Now hold your ruler straight. See to it that it is not tangled. It should be completely overlapping the line segment given to us. Start from 0 and see to it that at which point it is ending. So the first measurement of the length, the first line segment given to us, and the length of that line segment is 4.8 centimeter. Again, for the second line segment, you will need a ruler, and let's measure the length of the ruler. It is 7.8 centimeter. Same way we will be measuring our third line segment. So the length of the third line segment is 3.8 centimeter. On the same page, question number D, draw the line segment of the length 8.5 centimeter and 3.4 centimeter. Now here we need to draw the line and the measurement is given to us. And what is the measurement given to us? We are supposed to draw the line segment, two line segments we have to draw. One, the length of 8.5 centimeter and the other line segment whose length will be 3.4 centimeter. Now for this question, all of you need to sit with your sharpened pencil and your ruler. So come on, let's begin. Hold your ruler, keep your ruler straight on the paper like this. Pencil in your hand and start from 0. Exactly start from 0 and then take the line till 8.5 centimeter. 0.5 means half and 0.5 is always between the two numbers. So between 8 and 9, in the center there is one more line which is little long, that is 0.5 over there. So 8.5. Now once you are done drawing the line, we need to label the line also. Line segment. Name the line segment A and B. What is the measurement? 8.5 centimeter. We will write the measurement also. So my first line segment is completed. Now going ahead with the second one. Again hold your ruler straight below that. Now we are going to draw 3.4 centimeter. Again take your scale. Start from 0 and draw your line till 3.4. 1 point before 3.5. So draw your line till 3.4 with your pencil. Once the line segment has been drawn, we need to label it. So let's label it as PQ and I will write the measurement of this line segment, that is 3.4 centimeter. So I hope all of you all have done this very neatly and nicely. Avoid erasing the line again and again and see to it that your pencil is sharpened. Now, going ahead with question number E on the same page number 2, fill in the blanks. A cuboid has dash faces. Come on, this is very easy and basic. It has 6 faces. Second fill in the blank, a cylinder has dash edges. 2 edges. All faces of a cube are dash. All faces of cube are equal. Fourth one, a cone has dash edges, only one edge. A sphere has one curved surface. Now, let's move on to the next worksheet, page 3, worksheet 8.2. Match the following. Now, you have to identify the figure and you have to match it with the name of it. Now, let us look at the first figure given to us, that is DC. What do you think DC is? Is it a line segment? Is it a line? Is it a point? Is it a curved line or is it a ray? What is it? Correct. So, option A, that is figure A, you are supposed to match it with fifth one, that is ray. So, A, 5. So, DC is a ray. Now, second, B. There's a dot and P is written. What do you think that is? Which figure is it? It's a point. So, B, 3. Now, try to identify the third one. There are 2 endpoints and there is a line in between. So, what is it? C, you are going to match with the first one. It is line segment. The figure C is a line segment. Then D. D is a line. It's endless on both the sides. Line MN endless on both the sides. So it's a line, match it with the second one. And E is just a curved line over there, line AB, but it's a curved line. So match it E with fourth one. Now, once our match the column is done, let's move ahead with the next question on the same page, page number 3, question number B. Name all the line segments in each of the following figures. Now, what does this mean? Line segment means, 1 minute. Line segment means 2 points and there should be a line in between. 2 endpoints and there should be a line in between. Now, this figure, all the 3 figures given in this question are closed figures made of many, many line segments. And we have to identify, we have to name all the line segments. So let us start from here. I'll just quickly give you an example. This is point T over here. Can you see this point T? Yes. Can you see this point S? Yes. From point T to S over here, this is one line segment. So TS is the first line segment. The next one, from S to R, there's another line segment. So SR is the second one. From R to D, there's another line segment. From D to P, there's one more line segment, and from P to T, there's one more line segment. That is there are total, this figure pentagon is made up of total 5 line segments, and we have already named those. So write down in the blank given. SR, RD, DP, PT, and TS. So the same way we will be doing remaining 2 figures given to us. Let us start from here. G to F is the first line segment, GF. From F to E is the second line segment, so FE. Then from E to D, third line segment. D to C, there's another line segment. C to B, B to A, and A to G. So this arrow, a figure, closed figure, is made of so many line segments. And what are the name of those line segments? A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, and G, A. Same way, going ahead with the third one. I think now you will be able to do it on your own. Yes. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, and E, A are the line segments in third figure. Going ahead with question number C. Draw a line segment named X, Y. You just have to draw a line segment. There is no measurement given to you. Just draw a line segment and you just name it as X, Y. So use your ruler and just draw a simple straight line. Don't draw any arrows. X and Y. Just simply draw this much. Once this is done, let's go to question number D. Draw a vertical line and name it. Now you have to draw a line. The line always have arrows on both the sides, which indicates that it is endless. So draw a straight line, draw arrows on both the sides, and name it. Any name of your choice you can give. I have named it as AB. There is no measurement, nothing. You can draw a line of any measurement, any length. Next, going to question number D. Sorry, we have already done D. Now E. Draw a ray. Now you have to draw ray. Now how do we draw ray? Ray is endless on one side, and one side it has a point. So how do we draw? Draw a line and arrow on only one side, and you name it as XY. So X at the one side and Y at the other side. Again, there is no length measurement given for this. You can draw it of any length according to your choice. Now going ahead with page number 5, choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. A three-sided polygon is known as a dash. Now what is the meaning of polygon? Polygon means any shape which has three or more sides. That figure becomes a polygon. So you think that which figure has three sides? Obviously triangle. A four-sided polygon is known as any figure having more than three or three. Having three or more than three sides is known as polygon. So a square also becomes a polygon. So which shape has four sides? The options given to us is triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon and hexagon. Obviously quadrilateral has four sides. A five-sided polygon is known as pentagon. A six-sided polygon is known as hexagon. The length of the curved surface of a circle is called circumference. And the distance between 2 points on the circumference of the circle passing through center is called the dash of the circle. Passing through the center is known as its diameter. Correct. Now these terms, you have to learn it. It's very, very important. Again on page number 5, question number B. Which of the following figures are polygon? How will you identify? Any figure who is having more than three sides is known as polygon. It should have three or more than three sides. That figure is known as a polygon. So what do you think over here? Yes, figure 1, figure 3 and figure 4 are polygons. Why not second, fifth and sixth? Because they don't have straight lines. Okay, figure 1, figure 3 and figure 4, they have three or more than three sides, so they become polygons, and they also have straight lines. Now question number C. Which of the following figures are closed figures? This is something very, very easy. The star over here, the second one is a closed figure, and the fourth one over there, a polygon, is a closed figure. Going ahead with page number 6, question number D. Label the given polygons and write the number of sides. Now the first figure. We have learnt about quadrilaterals and polygons. What is a quadrilateral? Any figure which has four sides is a quadrilateral. So the first one over here is a figure with four sides. So it's a quadrilateral. We have to also mention the number of sides this figure has. So four sides. Second one over there. How many sides? You can see, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So what is the figure having 5 sides known as? Correct. Pentagon. It has 5 sides. Now let us move ahead with the third figure. Count the number of sides in this third figure. Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what will you call a figure with 6 sides? Think. Hexagon. And right over there, 6 sides. Now, page number 7. Question number A. Now over here you need to be a little bit careful and understand it. Look at the figure below and identify the following as rays, line segment or line. So let's just check the first one. The first one over here is AB. Now in this figure where you can see AB, yes, here. It's from here to here, AB. Now what do you think about this AB? What is this AB? Is this a ray? Is this a line segment or is this a line? AB is a line segment. So write that down in your book. Number one, it's a line segment. Now, just like this, let's go ahead with the second one, BP. Now, where is BP? Over here. Come on, it starts from this point and it goes till here, B and P. Come on, so B has a point over here and P has an arrow. So at one side there is a point and the other side is an arrow. What type of figure is this? So BP is a ray. Correct. Now look at this BC. Over here we have B and here is C. Again the same point over here and point over here. So BC, what do you think is BC? BC is a line segment again. Now let's go ahead with EF. Where is EF? Where you can see EF? Yes, from here to here, this long line. And both the sides it has arrow. So what do you think is EF? Endless on both the sides? It's a line. Then we have R and W. Where is R and W? Yes, R is over here and W is over here. So what do you think this RW is? Point at one side and arrow on the other side? Yes, it's a ray. So the same way, try to do the remaining questions. Sixth one, MN is a line segment. Seventh, SF is a ray. And eighth, CW is again a ray. Ninth, ON. Where is ON? Yes, look for ON. It's a line segment. And the last one, OA, is again a line segment. So this is how we are going to write. Moving ahead with the next question. Question number B. Give real life examples of parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Where you can see parallel lines and where you can see perpendicular lines. Railway tracks, they are parallel to each other. They never meet. They never intersect. So they are parallel lines. And where I can see perpendicular lines? Lines on globe. Have you seen the globe? Yes, the lines are perpendicular over there. They intersect each other. Now, worksheet 8.5. First, fill in the blank. The distance from any point on the circumference of a circle to its center is called radius of the circle. Second, fill in the blank. A straight line is the shortest distance between dash points. 2 points. The number of radii in a circle is infinite. There are infinite number of radii in a circle. Then the fourth one, dash is the line formed by connecting any 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Chord. Any 2 points on the circle and then you join it, it is called a chord. Now over here I would just like to tell you diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Now page number 8. Tick The correct answer, first question, how many line segments are there in this adjoining figure? See, count how many line segments are there. Count. Yes, 8. Next, second question, the number of vertices in the adjoining figure. What is the meaning of vertices? Where two segments, two line segments meet at a point, corner, that is called vertice. So how many points, how many corners you can see in this second figure? 11. Third, a dash has all its sides equal in length. Square has all its sides equal in length. A dash has 3 corners. Triangle. A rectangle has dash corners, 4 corners. This is something very, very easy. Now, going ahead with worksheet 8.6, true or false? A cuboid has 8 faces. What do you think? False. A cylinder has 3 faces and no corners. True. A cube has 8 corners. True. Now, over here, page number 9, here you will require your ruler and your compass. We also call this as rounder. You need a sharpened pencil. Fit your pencil inside your compass because we are going to need compass, sharp pencil and ruler. Keep these things ready, and let's begin with question number B. Draw circles of the following radii. First is 8 centimeter. Now, how do we draw the radii of 8 centimeter? Take your pencil and mark a dot wherever you want. So this will be your center of the circle. Once this is done, take your compass and measure, keep 8 centimeter measurement on the ruler. Mark, name the center. Keep the point of your compass on the center and draw the circle. Once the circle is being drawn, draw the radius and write the measurement 8 centimeter. Going ahead with the second one, again here also you will need your compass, pencil and your ruler. Now over here we need to draw a circle of 3 centimeter radii. So again first take the center point on your book, mark, label it as X, anything whatever you want to label it as. Now keep the sharp point of your compass on the point which you have marked. The compass measurement should be of 3 centimeter from the point of the compass to the pencil. It should be of 3 centimeter. The distance, the length between them should be 3 centimeter. So use your ruler. Keep your compass point on the center point of your book which you have marked and then just draw a circle. Once the circle is being drawn, use your ruler and draw the radii, a straight line. Name the other part of the radii as Y. And what is the measurement of the radii which we have drawn is 3 centimeter. Moving ahead with the third question, the third circle. Again mark a point. Draw the circle. Draw the radii. Mark the other point. 4.5 centimeter. This circle has the radii of 4.5 centimeter. So first you need to take your compass and measure the length of 4.5 centimeter using your ruler. That means your radii is of 4.5 centimeter then. Then you draw the circle. See to it that labeling the center point of the circle and the radii is very, very important. Writing the measurement of the radii is also important. The fourth question, the fourth circle over here, again we will be drawing a radii of 6 centimeter. So mark the center point. Take your compass, take your ruler and 6 centimeter measure karo wahan pe. Once that is done, come back to the book, draw the circle, take your ruler, and radii can be drawn on any side, wherever you want to draw, you can draw the radii. So this time I have drawn the radii straight from A to B. I will name my radii and I will write the measurement of the radii, that is 6 centimeter. Going ahead with the fifth circle, again the same steps we will be doing it. 5.5 centimeter radii, mark the center point, name it as U. Take your compass and take the measurement of 5.5 centimeter using the scale and draw the circle. Once that is done, draw the radii, name the radii UV and write the measurement 5.5 centimeter on it. Going ahead with question number C. Over here, what we have to do is draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters. So first draw a circle of 3.5 centimeter. Mark the center point as P. Take the measurement of 3.5 centimeter in your compass with the help of your ruler and then draw the circle. Once that is done, draw the radii also and name the radii. I will name the radii as Py. Now I have to compulsorily name this center point as P because it is given in the question that mark your center as P. So I will mark it as P. Once that is done, I am also supposed to draw the diameter of this circle and label it as AB. Now what is diameter? A line which passes through the center of the circle and it should be the longest line. So draw the line and this longest line is the chord, that is diameter should pass through the center of the circle. Then only it is called diameter, otherwise it is not diameter. Label this as AB. So draw this very neatly. Once this is done, let's go to question number D. Draw the nets of the following figures. We have to draw the nets. What is nets? All the 3D models, cube and cuboid, they are 3D models. You need a base, a 2D base to build up this 3D models. So how that base will be look like for cube and cuboid? That is called nets. So what will you require? What kind of base you will require to make a cube? So you will require 6 squares in this format so that you can fold it like this and make a cube, a 3D model. So this is the net of cube. What do you think of net of a cube should be? Cuboid should be, sorry. It should have 4 rectangles and 2 squares. In the net of cube, all the 6 should be squares. But over here, we will have 4 rectangles and 2 squares. This, when you fold up, you will get a cuboid, a 3D model. So this is the net of cuboid. So again over here you have to draw using your scale and your pencil, sharpened pencil, and draw this net. So thank you, and we are done over here with application book application book C, chapter 8. We have completed, we have solved all the worksheets over here. Thank you so much. Happy learning.